Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Today is April 6th, and it is my first day out on the lake, and it is a beautiful day. So, I am starting off the season with a 1969 Evinrude 4-horse. Nice little motor. I picked this one up yesterday, and it needed a little bit of work. Had no spark whatsoever on either of the plugs, so I went ahead and cleaned the points, reset the ignition. Luckily the coils were good. The coils were really nice, so I went ahead and did that. Soaked the carburetor, cleaned, rebuilt, did my thing on the carburetor. The recoil assembly was really slow on the retract, so I went ahead and cleaned up the whole assembly, added a new rope, and I upgraded the handle. Not a huge fan of the original plastic handles. Put something a lot more comfortable on there. What else? New lower gear oil, new spark plugs, new fuel lines, and I think that is about it. It's running pretty good. It's a nice little motor. Has a little bit of wear and tear on the hood, but you pop it open and it looks immaculate. It's just beautiful on the inside, and it runs pretty good. So without further ado, 1969 Evinrude 4-horse. Actually comes down to a pretty decent slow speed. I mean, right there, we're further past the start, almost to the stop. Man, not bad. Not bad for a feeler gauge. No timing fixture with this one. All right, I think I'll just leave it at that. 1969 Evinrude 4-horse. It's good to be back, ladies and gentlemen. I shall see you at shore.